Hi Drastic Cuties, Whitney here. Today we're going to draw a puppuccino, so let's get started. To draw this very yummy drink, let's first start by drawing a big curve across. So this is where the head of the puppy meets the cream. So let's go right here and just draw a curve right across, slightly going upwards. And then from there I'm going to come right back, right here where we started, and I'm going to draw a curve down. So this is the side of the face, and then another curve that comes out a bit more for the cheek area. Then from there, let's imagine a curve going this way for the face. So about right here, I'm going to go ahead right next to the edge and draw a circle. So this is one eye. I'm going to come in here, put another circle for highlight and shade everything else in. Then let's come next to this eye, and about right here, I'm going to draw a curve for the big puppy nose. So I'm just going to draw this nose and give it a little highlight as well and shade everything else in. So we're just moving right across, and then one more. So about right here, go ahead and draw the other eye. There. So two eyes and a nose, and then we'll come back right here in the center, and we're just going to go straight down right there with a slight curve, and then go up for a very happy puppy and cap it off. There. And then before I forget, let's go above each eye and just going to draw a soft curve. Then from there, let's see here. Let's bring this out a little bit more. Make our cup of puppuccino a little bit wider. So say about right there. I'm going to go ahead and stop right here and draw a big ear, floppy ear, and bring it in. For our puppy. And then just imagine this curve on this side. So about right here, I'll bring it in. Right there. So we just wanted the ear to pop out a little bit. Then from there, let's come to the, oh, actually, you know what? Now that we're at the same level right here, let's go ahead and connect it at the bottom with a curve all the way across. So thank you for all the love for my Catpuccino. So I knew if you guys loved that, you would definitely want a Puppuccino, right? So it's almost the same, slightly different in some areas. Then from there, let's go ahead and we're going to draw the cream on top. So I'm going to come right here and just going to draw a big mound of cream, and we're going up, triangular shape. So we're going right here, and right there I'm going to stop because I need to draw a strawberry. But if you're using a pencil, just go ahead and finish. Well, like this side, I'm going to go ahead just like the other side. Draw the other sides about right here. Sorry, kind of going out of order, but I just want to make sure I have this kind of even. And then from there, I'm going to go ahead and pop out this strawberry. So I'm going to go up to draw my strawberry and bring it down to about right here. And I'm going to stop because it's in the cream. So I'm just going to come right here and wobble a curve to make the strawberry look like it's inside. And to make it look like a strawberry, let's come right here and give it a little stem area. Pop out a little stem. And you can come in here. You can do this when you're coloring. Just put in some seeds and just stagger them. Then now for sure it's a strawberry, right? And then whatever space you have left, just go ahead and finish up the whipped cream. And then let's see here, you can come in here very lightly, curve to give it some more detail. Okay, so now we have a nice mound of whipped cream. Let's come back and draw the other ear. So about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and pop out curve and bring it in for the other ear. And then now to draw the cup. So we need to draw the lip of our cup first. So let's come right back here. And we're going to curve around, and just thicken this part up. From there, let's go ahead and draw the cup. So I'm going to give myself 2 points right here and here, coming in a little bit, and I'll work on this angle first. I'll bring an angle line down for our cup. And let's see, about right here. I'll stop. And just like how I showed you on the cappuccino, to make it easier to draw this angle, just bring it straight up to wherever that would be. So about the same width right here is about the same width about right here, and bring that straight down and give yourself a point about right there. Then it's just an easier way to make it a little bit more accurate. And just aim for that point there. And then when you come to the bottom, just go round it off. So hopefully that tip helps to draw these big angles when you're drawing big. Okay, and then let's come down here, and I'm just going to draw another curve for the bottom of our cup, and just pop it in. Right there. And let's see here. So, oh, before I forget, let's come over here. We're going to draw some of this different layer of cream or whatever you like, different flavor, and just drizzle your way across. Just more cream probably, right? Of course. And then our green straw, so let's come about right here and draw a straw. So just 2 angle lines down and connect it with a curve. So now that we're done with the main elements of our drink, I'm going to go ahead and draw the logo. So I'm just going to use this circle template right here to make it a little bit easier to draw my circle. A little too big, so I'll just go with this one right here. And draw a circle right here. Oops. Oh! Yes, you want to hold your circle template so it doesn't move. Okay, there. And then I need to draw an inner circle, so maybe this one. No, this one here. Okay, so I have my 2 circles in, and then once again, just like the cappuccino, I'm going to write the word Puppuccino this time, and this time hopefully I'm going to spell it right. But once again, I'm just going to come to the side right here and draw a heart first, because I know the word Puppuccino is much longer than the word coffee. So I'll just write coffee here first, since it's much shorter. F F E E. Oops. Okay, I'll make my C and the O come out a little bit more, so it's a little bit more even. Okay, now to write Puppuccino. So I'll start about right here. And I want my O to end at the same, about the same area on the other side. Okay, so here we go. P U P Pup. Okay, and then the U C C I N. Yay! So as you come closer to that O, if your words are getting your letters are getting too squished, just make them thinner. And if you have a lot of space, just make it a lot wider to fill in the space. So there. Now I have my Puppuccino coffee. And then right here, I'm going to just put in a bone. Or you can put in a paw, but I thought I'd change it up. And since it's a puppy, just draw a little bone right here. For my Catpuccino, I did a paw, so let's see which one you like better, and you can change it. But you just put a little bone right there, and that is pretty much it for this yummy Puppuccino. I really hope you love this just as much as my Catpuccino, and that I've inspired you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.